Hey guys, are you looking for the best project? So see here this project pay off your karma. A digital currency with a heart giving back where it matters most. Stable, transparent and sustainable bridge between crypto innovation and real human need. So you can scroll down and check here, begin your journey. You can click the discover more button and see the small detail. Karma is changing the standard. Karma is partnering with Maxic Exchange. So you can check here now available. Buy Karma with Apple Pay and Google Play Store. Purchase Karma directly on Maxic using your preferred mobile payment method, quick, secure and convenient. So you can download the app Google Play Store and Apple Pay. Then you can trade Karma on Maxic now. View token unlock schedule and Maxic order book details. So you can check here the total market cap $1.1 million, 24-hour volume $31K, 2.9K plus total holders. Karma donated. You can see this Karma with Soul live chart. You can check here the live chart price is up and down. You can check here now, so you can see this on desk screener. You can check here the contract address, token unlock schedule. You can see here the token unlock schedule. You can scroll down and check here all the schedule or token unlocks. You can see here now, so you can check here. You can see this vision of Karma giving back where it matters most. Our philosophy. See this, you can check here core principles, our focus areas, what and why Karma. So you can read our pitch deck. So you can see this pay off your Karma, buy Karma on best decentralized exchange and start with good Karma. Maxic, Desk Screener, GMGN, Phantom Wallet, Phantom, Bird Eye, Geeko Terminal, CoinGecko. So you can trade now. How to buy Karma, a simple step-by-step guide to purchasing Karma. So you can play this video and see how to buy Karma now. Real impact project details, regenerate the earth, elevate hunger. You can see this, reduce crime, grow healthier food. You can check here, so you can see this view all project. Then you can donate now. Global impact map here, so you can check here the map, active project detail. You can see this good Karma partner. You can check here the all the good Karma partner, Karma movement roadmap, release of deliverables. You can check here all is the roadmap. So guys, you can read carefully all detail. You can see the light paper, food forest guide. You can download the guide now. The power of community. You can see the guidelines, a light community, latest update, community chat on Telegram. You can follow us on Twitter.